Hello, how you doing? Today I'm going to make a couple of these sandwiches. We're making a liver sandwich with tahini or tahina. Really, really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is really simple and really beautiful. Here I've got 2 cups of liver. I'm using a beef liver. You could use lamb liver if you want. A cup of onion, just a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and just like maybe a half a teaspoon of chili powder. I like that in there. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. So you're going to need a skillet or something like that. I've got this kind of wok-y thing here. Olive oil in there. I've got like two or three tablespoons. We're going to drop in the onion. We're on a slightly above medium heat. We're going to go for 4 minutes. And next up, we're going to drop in the liver, 2 cups of liver. You can see I've cut this into long strips. You can cut it into cubes if you want. We're going to drop in that little bit of garlic. It's like a teaspoon of garlic, and then a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and half a teaspoon chili powder, which is optional. We're now going to go for 4 to 5 minutes, and this will be cooked. The liver cooks very quickly, by the way. Keep it moving. Okay, I'm super happy there. Off goes the heat. Some people would cook it a bit more and kind of crisp it up a little bit, but yeah, for me, job done. Okay, so a simple build. So on the left hand side you can see our liver that's cooked. I've got some chopped tomato there just to put on the top. Next to that on the right hand side I've got some tahini or tahina, sesame seed paste, and that's the bread I'm using. Some bread rolls like that, long ones. I've cut them across the top. There you go, so simple and such a beautiful, lovely sandwich. I really love that one. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.